Hi everyone, welcome to WebDiv. We designed the navigation bar in previous video. In this, we are going to add the About part. Let's go to the VS Code. When adding the navigation bar, we use this tag. In here, we are going to use section tag. It uses to divide a web page into sections of related content. In HTML, we use heading tags for display a heading part. H1 being the highest level and H6 being the lowest level. In here, we use H3. Let's see how it worked. Okay, it's done. In the previous video, I teach you how to install Live Server and how it working. Search it. And if you not installed this, install now. It's very easy for us. We want to display our About properly for users, so we can use H1 tag. For example, I typed our web page's name. Now you can see the difference of H3 tag and H1 tag. See? Now I'm gonna add a small description about our page. This wasn't to highlight as our headings, so we can use paragraph tag. It is used to define blocks of text as paragraphs within the content of a web page. I typed his for example, but you can add a description about your page as your choice. Alright, we are done our HTML part. Now let's go to the CSS part. Before that we should create a class for our About section. I am commending as About Us for our convenience. Remember, when we created a class, we should type a dot and the class name in CSS part. In here, we can apply a dark background and apply white color as font color, so it would be nice. The section height is defined as 600 pixels to ensure enough space for the content. We also use padding to add extra space for rems on the top and bottom, and 8 rems on the sides. Let's see how it works. We align the content vertically with display, flex, and flex direction, column. Then, align items, center, and text align. Center. Center the content both horizontally and text-wise. Now we can apply a gap for add spacing between the elements. I give 1 rem and see. Let's give 1.5 rem. Okay. Now we should increase the font size of the heading 1. For this, we don't want to create a new class, we can use H1 tag for that. Font size 3 rem. It is making the main heading large and prominent. Let's decrease the opacity of the paragraph part. Opacity 0.5, which makes the text slightly transparent. It is giving a softer appearance. Finally, we designed the navigation bar in previous video. In this, designed the About part as well. Designed headings and the paragraph. Our next step is adding some images as a grid. Let's create it in the next video.